So, what we're going to be doing in this episode of Minecraft is we're playing in survival mode, which is not normal for me, because I usually play in creative mode. So, what we're going to be doing is starting off building a house. Now, I'm pretty sure I had the faithful texture pack in. Yeah, I do. So I'm going to be playing on the faithful texture pack this whole time. For this first episode, we're going to try to build a house. Which, that's going to be fun. So, yeah. Oh, I wish I had the tree decapitator mod on, but that's not for this version of Minecraft. Oh yeah, by the way, I don't have any mods on. This is, vanilla Minecraft. So, there's thunder outside. So, but that can't be thunder. That can't be. I don't know, but I heard growling outside and it's probably thunder. On my belly, because I'm really hungry right now. Like, I'm really hungry. Ooh, there's some clay down there. Okay. Let's get some crafting materials. And let's build a sword. Let's make a sword. Yum. And if you guys want to find out how I installed this texture pack in mods, go and look at my first video. So, I'm gonna end the video after I build my house, and I'll cut to when I'll have all my materials. So, I'll see you then. Okay, I'm back, and I have some wood now. We're gonna build a small house, and then after this, try to find some sheep, because we need a bed to sleep in. Now, you guys leave in the comments below if you guys want to see this modded or not. Because if this was modded, it would probably be a lot more fun for you guys and me, other than this vanilla Minecraft. So, I'm just gonna put one layer of acacia wood, and this. And yes, I'm starting school soon, so there probably won't be as much as videos. I know I probably should have started it out earlier this year, but I tried it and it just did not work. It literally just did not work. So I'll chop down this tree, and the main mod I'll probably have installed is tree decapitator, because this is annoying, cutting down the whole tree. So where's the house at? There it is. So I'm gonna go cut down some more acacia wood, and I'll cut until we're at that. I'll see you guys when I'm there. Okay. We're back, and we're at the acacia trees. And wow, I really need to eat right now. I'm about to die. So, yeah, back in the acacia trees. It's about to get dark, so I hope that we have enough time to make a shelter before we hits nighttime. So, let's head back to the house. I really need to build a bridge right here. This is annoying as poop going through the water. So, ooh, there's a cave right here. It's not even a cave. Ugh, I hate when Minecraft shows you like that. It's like, oh, there's a cave right here. Come check in it. Oh, no, sorry, there's no cave. So if you guys have any ideas for the house, leave them in the comments below, because I'm creative. Okay, if you have any ideas, leave them in the comments. And if you want to see a creative let's play on just creative me building stuff, I have a few worlds. I have one world that I download, and it's like a castle, and it's like a really big castle, but I'm not sure if I'm able to record on that because it just lags my game like crazy. So after I finish off this roof, I'm gonna stop recording because I've already recorded for too long. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and comment down below, and subscribe. Goodbye.